All right, let's settle an argument. Uh-oh. What argument? I'm gonna say something. You tell me if it's a need or a want. Easy, go for it. A bottle of water, need. A designer water bottle that costs 10 times more? Okay, that's definitely a want. See? That one was easy. Let's make it harder. Shoes, depends. If my only pair has holes in them, that's a need. Buying another pair because they're 30% off? That's my wallet trying to convince me it's a need, but it's probably a want. Exactly. Okay, a phone. Ooh, that's tricky. I'd actually say it's almost a need these days. I agree. School, applying for jobs, keeping in touch with family, even online banking. But replacing a phone that still works just because a newer one came out? Now that's usually a want. But you know what's interesting? Sometimes it's not the item, it's the version of the item. Exactly. And if some of those questions made you stop and think, you're not the only one. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest money mistakes teenagers and adults make every single day. Can I be honest? I've done this before. Same, you convince yourself, I need this. Then 2 weeks later, you barely even remember buying it. Our brains are funny. They like exciting things. New clothes, new gadgets, new games, and before you know it, a want starts feeling like a need. So, what's the actual difference? Here's the easiest way I remember it. A need helps you live your life. A want makes life more enjoyable. That's it? That's it. Simple doesn't mean unimportant. Food? Need. A fancy dessert after lunch? Usually a want. School shoes because yours are falling apart? Need. Designer sneakers because your favorite influencer bought them? Neither one is bad. The trick is knowing which one you're buying. Here's where people get caught. Their wants start pretending to be needs. I need those headphones. Do you? Or do you just like them? I need the newest phone. Really? Or does your current phone still work perfectly? The more honest you are with yourself, the better your money decisions become. Actually, this reminds me of something from our last episode. The budgeting one? Exactly. We said every rand should have a job before you spend it. Because once you've already planned your money, it's much harder to waste it on impulse purchases. If you missed that episode, check it out after this video. It makes today's lesson make a lot more sense. Can I share something that's helped me? Go for it. If it's a want, don't buy it immediately. Just one day? Yep, 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, and it fits your budget, then buy it. You'd be surprised how many things stop feeling important after one day. I think this is important to say. Definitely not. Buying wants isn't wrong. If you've planned for it, enjoy it. Money isn't only for paying bills. It's also there to enjoy life. Just don't let today's wants steal tomorrow's opportunities. All right, challenge time. The next time you're about to spend money, pause for 5 seconds. Ask yourself one question. Is this a need or a want? No judgment. Just be honest, because that's where smarter money habits begin. Now that you know how to separate needs from wants, there's one habit that can completely change the way you manage money: saving, even if you don't earn very much. We'll show you exactly how. If you enjoyed today's conversation, subscribe and join us every week as we learn the skills school forgot to teach. This is Teen Life Kit, helping teenagers build confidence, independence, and real-world skills one lesson at a time. We'll see you in the next episode.